Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce some informations regarding Sinovac. Sinovac Biotech Limited launched a late stage human trial on Tuesday that will involve as many as 1620 patients in Indonesia for COVID-19 vaccine candidates that it is developing with Indonesia state-owned Pierre Biopharma. Institution and funding. Sinovac Research and Development. The study design. In test tube experiments, the Sinovac researchers mixed antibodies taken from the monkeys, rats, and mice, given their vaccine with strains of the viruses isolated from COVID 19 patients in China, Italy, Switzerland, Spain, and the United Kingdom. The antibodies potently neutralized all the strains which are widely scattered on the phylogenetic tree. The researchers noted. Vaccine type is corona vaccine, formerly Picovaccine, is a formalin inactivated and alum adjunctuated candidate vaccine. Advantages of inactivated vaccine. Inactivated vaccines are more stable and safer than live vaccines. The viruses or bacteria is still recognized as an invader by the body even though it does not cause any diseases. So the immune system still makes protective antibodies against it. The vaccine can be given to the people with weakened immune system. These vaccines do not usually need to be refrigerated. They can be stored easily and transported when freeze-dried. This makes them great vaccine to use in developing countries. Disadvantages. The inactivated vaccines often stimulate a much weaker immune response than live vaccines. Therefore, there are typically several doses needed before gaining immunity to a disease. In addition, booster shots are sometimes needed to keep immunity to the disease. Without regular access to the health care, many people are not aware of boosters or given the opportunity to have the boosters. These people may have a false sense of immunity to the disease. Study design. Phase 1. Trial enrolled 143 healthy volunteers around 18 to 59 years of age who received 2 different doses of the vaccine or placebo. Phase 2. 600 participants. The outcome. Result from the Phase 1/2 trials showed no serious adverse events. Neutralizing antibodies were observed 14 days after vaccine administration, and the company reported a greater than 90% neutralizing antibodies seroconversion rate indicating a positive immune responses. In phase 2, the study in which it said the vaccine candidate appeared to be safe and induced detectable antibody-based immune responses in subjects. Status. The Sinovac said a phase 3 trial in collaboration with Institute of Butantan in Brazil is underway, and the company plans to enroll around 9,000 patients in the healthcare industry. CoronaVac is already undergoing a late stage trial in Brazil, and Sinovac expect to also test in Bangladesh. The trial would be conducted in 7 hospitals specializing in treating novel coronavirus infections in Dhaka, Bangladesh capital, and ICDDRB official said on the condition of anonymity. I think this could be successful, but we can wait this for a long time because it is an inactivated vaccine. Thank you. Have a nice day.